Have you ever questioned the significance of sensory toys for children with autism? The explanation becomes clear when we grasp how uniquely these children perceive their surroundings. Autism, a neurological disorder, alters how an individual communicates and interacts. One striking feature of autism is its influence on sensory processing. This means that sensory perceptions like touch, sight, sound, taste, and smell might vary for a child with autism. They may find particular stimuli too intense or too subtle, causing discomfort, anxiety, or even distress. Sensory toys enter the scenario at this point. Specialized toys cater to the distinct sensory needs of children with autism. They stimulate the senses in a controlled, safe manner and provide calming effects, improve focus, and encourage sensory integration. Imagine a toy that not only captivates your child, but also aids them in navigating their sensory world. That's the magic of sensory toys. They are not mere toys, but instruments that assist these wonderful children in comprehending their surroundings. For instance, a soft, squishy stress ball can soothe a child hypersensitive to touch by offering gentle tactile stimulation. The child can squeeze the ball when they feel swamped, transforming a distressing situation into a manageable one. Conversely, a brightly colored spinning top can enthrall a child who is hyposensitive to visual stimuli. Watching the top spin can captivate their visual senses, promoting attention and focus. The advantages of sensory toys extend beyond managing sensory processing troubles. They also foster skill development like fine motor skills, problem-solving abilities, and social interaction skills. These toys offer a fun, engaging medium for children with autism to learn and evolve. Now, let's delve into this remarkable world of sensory toys together. We'll see a diverse group of children, each engrossed with a different sensory toy. This scene showcases the extensive variety of sensory toys available and their unique appeal to different children. It's a testament to the fact that play isn't merely about fun and games, but an essential aspect of a child's growth and development. Comprehending the importance of sensory toys is the initial step in facilitating the growth and development of children with autism. So let's uncover how we can contribute to the lives of these extraordinary children. Now, you might be asking, how do sensory toys contribute to the development of children with autism? Well, it's all about the senses. Sensory toys are designed to stimulate a child's senses: touch, sight, hearing, smell, and sometimes even taste. They are bright, colorful, textured, and often make sounds or have distinct smells. For children with autism, these toys can provide a safe way to explore and engage with their environment, something that can sometimes be overwhelming or intimidating. But it's not just about sensory exploration. Sensory toys also promote focus and concentration. Imagine a child with autism sitting in a busy classroom, struggling to filter out the noise, the movement, the colors. Now imagine that same child with a sensory toy in their hand: a fidget spinner, a stress ball, a textured cube. That toy gives them something to focus on, a way to block out the sensory overload and concentrate on the task at hand. In addition to sensory stimulation and focus, sensory toys can also help manage anxiety. Autistic children often experience high levels of stress and anxiety, and sensory toys can provide a calming, soothing effect. They can serve as a distraction during stressful situations or provide a sense of comfort and familiarity in new or challenging environments. And it doesn't stop there. Sensory toys can also enhance motor skills and cognitive development. They encourage fine and gross motor skill development, helping children to improve their dexterity, coordination, and strength. At the same time, they stimulate cognitive development by promoting problem-solving skills, creativity, and imagination. So you see, sensory toys are much more than just playthings. They are tools that can assist autistic children in navigating their world, managing their emotions, and developing their skills. They provide a safe, enjoyable way for these children to explore, learn, and grow. They offer a means of self-expression and a way to connect with others. These toys are not just playthings, but tools that aid in the child's overall well-being. Let's delve into some specific sensory toys and understand their unique benefits. First up, we have the weighted blanket. Loved by many children with autism, it provides deep pressure stimulation that mimics the feeling of being hugged. This calming effect can reduce anxiety and improve sleep, promoting overall well-being. Next, the fidget spinner. A pocket-sized wonder, it is perfect for children who need constant movement. This toy can help improve concentration, reduce stress, and keep those little hands busy in a productive way. Thirdly, let's talk about sensory squeeze balls. These toys cater to tactile stimulation and are excellent for developing fine motor skills. Squeezing these balls can be a great stress buster and can also help children self-regulate during overwhelming situations. Our fourth toy is the light-up bubble tube. This visual sensory toy is a feast for the eyes, creating a mesmerizing effect with its changing colors and floating bubbles. It can stimulate visual tracking, improve color recognition, and even promote relaxation. And lastly, we have the Rainmaker toy. This auditory sensory toy mimics the soothing sound of rain. It can help children with autism improve their auditory processing abilities and provide a calming influence. In essence, sensory toys are not just toys. They're tools that cater to the unique sensory needs of children with autism, helping them navigate their world with more comfort and ease. Whether it's a weighted blanket that feels like a warm embrace, a fidget spinner that keeps restless hands occupied, a squeeze ball that aids in stress management, a bubble tube that captivates the eye, or a Rainmaker toy that soothes with its sound, each toy serves a purpose. And remember, it's not about having all the toys, but finding the ones that meet your child's specific needs. So experiment, explore, and discover what works best for your child. Each sensory toy serves a purpose, tapping into the unique needs of children with autism. How can we, as parents, teachers, and caregivers, encourage the use of sensory toys? This question is often on the minds of those who care for children with autism. The key is to incorporate these toys into daily routines, select the right sensory toy for each child, and make playtime an enjoyable experience. Incorporating sensory toys into daily routines can be as simple as integrating them into playtime, study time, or even mealtime. For example, a sensory toy that aids in focus can be used during study time to help your child concentrate. A chewable sensory toy can be used at mealtime to help with oral motor skills. The goal is to weave the use of these toys into the fabric of everyday life, making them a natural part of your child's day. Choosing the right sensory toy is equally important. Observe your child's behaviors and preferences to understand what type of sensory stimulation they respond to best. Is it tactile, visual, auditory, or perhaps a combination? Remember, every child is unique, and what works for one might not work for another. For instance, a child who enjoys tactile stimulation might benefit from a fidget spinner, while a child who is visually stimulated might enjoy a liquid motion bubbler. Making playtime fun is the ultimate goal. Sensory toys should never be presented as a chore or a task. Instead, they should be introduced as exciting and enjoyable tools that can be explored. Allow your child to discover the toy at their own pace, and don't rush the process. Encourage exploration, curiosity, and creativity, and celebrate every milestone, no matter how small. So, let's make sensory play a part of our children's lives. Let's choose the right toys that cater to their unique needs. Let's make playtime fun and exciting, and let's celebrate every small victory, because each step forward is a giant leap in their world. Encouraging the use of sensory toys can make a significant difference in the life of a child with autism. Remember, it's not just about the toys, it's about the joy, the growth, and the progress they bring. We've learned a lot today about the power of sensory toys for children with autism. These are not just ordinary toys. They are tools that can help unlock the potential that lies within every child. Each toy, with its unique sensory appeal, can stimulate the child's senses, helping them to better understand and interact with the world around them. We've looked at 5 different sensory toys, each with a unique purpose and benefit. From the soothing effect of the weighted blanket to the cognitive stimulation provided by the puzzle ball, these toys are more than just playthings. They are companions in the child's journey, facilitating growth, development, and understanding. Remember, every child is unique, and what works for one may not work for another. It's all about finding what resonates with your child, what helps them feel more comfortable, more engaged, more connected. It's about providing them with the tools they need to communicate their feelings, to express their thoughts, to navigate through their sensory experiences. And let's not forget, it's not just about the child. It's about us too. As parents, caregivers, educators, we also learn. We learn to understand, to empathize, to support. We learn to see the world from their perspective. And in doing so, we become better equipped to guide them, to help them, to love them. This journey of understanding and supporting children with autism is a continuous one, and there's always more to learn. It's about staying informed, keeping up with the latest research, and sharing experiences and insights with others. It's about fostering a community that understands, supports, and advocates. So let's continue this journey together. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Click on the notification button, and don't forget to subscribe to Autism Guidance Hub for more resources and support. Together we can make a difference.